Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. I'm here on the larger time frame chart and wanted to talk to you briefly about the next steps here on this chart. So again, just a reminder also for those who are new on the channel, just a bit of an introduction. The thesis is still that the market is in a bullish structure. Yeah, so we talked about it before. The idea is that a larger degree third wave topped there in January 2018. And then we've seen here this triangle develop over several years, a massive Elliott wave triangle in a wave 4. And it does visually also look like a triangle. And then this here could be the fifth wave in the making. Normally when we get a triangle breakout, then this is very fast, very rapid move, very impulsive looking, and that happened. So the price is likely in this fifth wave. I mean, this was a rally from around about 40 cents all the way up to over $3. So yeah, this was clearly a pretty impulsive move up. But we have not yet really formed the higher high. I mean, a marginally higher high in January. But overall, the market could still grind a little higher to form that fifth wave off the fifth wave there to complete that larger rally from the, from the start, okay? Basically a large five-wave move. The thing is, once we form a top, this would be probably really a substantial price top, a very significant price top that could then take the price into the next bear market, because after 5 waves up on the larger time frame, we'd expect a larger 3-wave pullback, because the entire move up will likely need to be corrected, okay? So it's the trending move needs to get a counter trend move. And that would set the stage for the next larger bull market. That's the idea, yeah. But the yellow scenario is preferred, and we probably have not topped yet, because this is rather just sideways consolidation at the moment. The idea is that the larger degree fourth wave bottomed here in July last year, and then this is a 3-wave move up so far, best I can tell. This is a 4th wave pullback, which might have bottomed in April. And the good news is it's likely that the 4th wave bottomed in April, and we're now in a 5th wave to the upside. But the momentum is not very aggressive yet in this 5th wave to the upside. That 5th wave should take us to $5 and beyond. That would be ideal. The next major resistance is here around the $3.30 to $3.40 area, this swing high area from January. Now, looking at the shorter time frame for XRP, shorter time frame wise, the market is still grinding here in this correction. Again, quick reminder, this here is a potential 5-wave move up that developed between April 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the May high. April low to the May high. It's a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave corrective pullback. In this pullback, we have an A wave, have a B wave, and that C wave to the downside seems to be unfolding now. What I always do when we are tracking a move like that, I tend to add not only the standard support area, but also Fibonacci extensions. So based on the initial A wave down and the B wave up, I can calculate or just add basically based on standard Fibonacci extensions, the ideal targets. Yeah. So obviously, you have the standard support levels, but then we can be a bit more precise due to the intra or internal structure. And that actually points us to $1.96 to $2.07. So, like the top, 30 to 40% of that orange box. So I'd say there's a good chance we find support in the upper section there. There are several levels that are overlapping. $2.07, $2.06, $2.04, $1.96, and $1.95. Good area to pay attention to. It's also not too large. So we'll see if the market can get there. I mean, we're already there. We might see that one more low there. Here, maybe here, one more low, maybe another 4-5 pattern, maybe. The rally was in 3 waves. So, I think the perspective needs to be, because we've already reached standard targets, I think that the perspective needs to be once we get a break above $2.21, which is here the 50% retracement, that could be our earliest indication a low of sorts is in place, but that is far away from full confirmation. Because, you know, as long as it's not, as long as the price doesn't form a 5-wave move up above resistance, it's not clearly bullish. So what I need to see for a bullish breakout is this. As long as we only get 3 waves, it's not clearly bullish yet. So I need to see those 5 waves. Then we can call that again maybe a wave 1. We're going to watch for the next pullback in wave 2. This is the sequence of events that needs to happen to confirm a low has actually formed. That's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.